Welcome to #1 Stories TV Documentaries. I'm Venant, and today we're exploring Cuba, a land of vibrant culture and breathtaking nature, home to animals you can't find anywhere else on Earth. In this video, we'll reveal 20 amazing wild animals found only in Cuba and their unique habitats. Stay tuned until the end. You'll be amazed at some of these rare creatures. If you're new here, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, share this documentary, and comment to tell us what you'd love to see in the next episodes. Let's begin our journey through the wild heart of Cuba. What if I told you there's a place on Earth where you can find animals nowhere else? Welcome to #1 Stories TV Documentaries. I'm your host, and today we're off to the breathtaking island of Cuba. Renowned for its vibrant culture, pristine beaches, and crystal-clear waters, Cuba also boasts an incredible array of endemic animals found nowhere else on Earth. Join me as we embark on a captivating journey to uncover the secrets of these fascinating creatures and the diverse habitats they call home. Are you ready? Let's dive in. At number 20, we encounter the enigmatic Cuban solondon, a nocturnal mammal that truly seems straight out of a bygone era. With its distinct muzzle, pointy ears and furry body, this venomous creature resembling a mix between a mouse and a hedgehog is considered a living fossil, having remained virtually unchanged for over 50 million years. But that's not all. The Cuban solenodon possesses a unique ability to secrete venom through its saliva when threatened or provoked. This toxic defense mechanism, while not fatal to humans, can leave a nasty bite that serves as a warning to any would-be predators. Next, let's meet the hefty Cuban utia, a large rodent and one of Cuba's national animals. Weighing up to 30 pounds, this plant-eating mammal is a vital part of the ecosystem, dispersing seeds and playing a crucial role in maintaining forest health. At number 18, we come across the American crocodile's close cousin, the Cuban crocodile. Endemic to Zapata Swamp, this smaller, more aggressive reptile is unfortunately listed as critically endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Number 17 features the vibrant Cuban parakeet, a colorful parrot that inhabits the forested regions of the island. These social birds are known for their loud calls and often gather in flocks, adding a splash of color to the Cuban landscape. Did you know that Cuba is home to one of the smartest birds in the world? At number 16, we meet the Cuban Amazon parrot. These green-feathered birds are renowned for their intelligence, playfulness, and ability to mimic human speech. Have you ever heard of a frog that looks like a miniature dragon? Meet the Cuban tree frog, a small but vocal amphibian that can be heard croaking in the Cuban forests during the night. The Cuban trogon, or tocororo, is the national bird of Cuba. At number 14, it's named after its distinctive call and boasts feathers that mirror the colors of the Cuban flag. The tiniest bird on the planet can be found in Cuba. At number 13, the bee hummingbird, just 2 inches long, is a sight to behold as it hovers from flower to flower, sipping nectar and spreading pollen. Have you ever encountered a snake that could grow to astonishing lengths? The Cuban boa is a non-venomous serpent that plays a significant role in balancing the ecosystem by controlling rodent populations. At number 11, we spot the Cuban brown anole, a small but hardy reptile that thrives in various habitats across Cuba's woodlands. These lizards are known for their distinctive dewlap, a colorful flap of skin under their chin. If you thought the Cuban brown anole was impressive, wait till you see the Cuban night anole. Number 10 on our list, this striking green lizard is one of the largest in the Anolis genus, and males are known for their spectacular throat displays during courtship. At number 9, we hear the distinctive whistling call of the Cuban whistling duck. Often seen in wetlands and lagoons, these ducks have distinctive black and white markings and are a common sight in Cuban waters. Next, let's venture into the darkness to meet one of the rarest bats in the world. At number 8, The Cuban greater funnel-eared bat can only be found in the caves of Cuba and is an essential part of the ecosystem, feeding on insects and helping to control their populations. Keep your eyes peeled for one of the rarest woodpeckers on the planet. The Cuban ivory-billed woodpecker is a near-mythical bird that was thought to be extinct until it was rediscovered in Cuba in the early 20th century. The tiny but colorful Cuban grassquit is a delightful sight to behold. At number 6, these songbirds can often be seen flitting about in Cuba's meadows and gardens, and their cheerful presence adds a burst of color to the Cuban landscape. Have you ever come across a snail that looks more like a piece of art? The Cuban painted snail, a terrestrial pulmonate gastropod mollusk, is considered one of the most beautiful snails in the world with its brightly patterned shell. Soaring through the skies of Cuba is the elusive Cuban long-eared owl. This nocturnal hunter is rarely seen during the day and is mostly active under the cover of darkness. Its large ears and facial discs help it to locate prey in low-light conditions. The Cuban rock iguana is a large, strong lizard, well adapted to the harsh conditions of its dry coastal habitat. It uses its powerful claws to forage for vegetation and is a common sight on the rocky outcrops of the Cuban coastline. Lastly, let's take a moment to appreciate the elegant Cuban sandhill crane. These tall birds can often be seen wading in the wetlands and grasslands of Cuba, and their haunting call echoes across the Cuban plains. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the enchanting world of Cuba's unique wildlife, discovering some of the most fascinating creatures that call this island home. Did you enjoy our exploration of Cuba's remarkable fauna? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you found this video informative and entertaining. Your engagement fuels our passion for bringing you more captivating wildlife documentaries, so stay tuned for more adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the heart of Cuba's wild wonders. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the extraordinary diversity of our natural world. Thank you for watching Number One Stories TV documentaries. A big thanks to our subscribers, those who share, like and comment. You're the heart of our community. If you haven't subscribed yet, join us today. Hit that button and the bell to never miss our daily documentaries. We love you all, and together we'll keep discovering the world's hidden treasures. I'm Venant. Goodbye, and see you tomorrow for another story.